Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to remove a TV show or a movie from your watch list. So let's dive in straight into the video since the process is very easy. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in yidio.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site for Yidio, make sure to log into your account like you normally do. Once you're logged in, go ahead and mouse over to your profile icon at the top right and click on Watchlist. Now, inside your watch list, scroll through the watch list, and if you want to remove a content from the list, simply point to it and click on the cross icon right next to the list. You can repeat this step for every other watch list item you'd like to remove, and that is how you can easily remove content from your watch list. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.